whole video. We're gonna go do a large group ride. But if you ride one of these, a motorcycle, or you're wanting to get a motorcycle, you've been riding for a long time, I'm gonna give you some ways, what you need to know. It could save your lives. This is what happens when you get 100 plus motorcycle riders, 100 plus riders on a group ride. Huge ride, huge ride. Thank you everybody that came. God, I hope we get everybody home safe. That's my biggest ask. Lord, we need you on this ride. There's a lot of people here. They all get home safe. God bless this ride. Damn people. Thank you Texas riders. Thank you DFW riders. Awesome group, man. A lot of women out here. 3 or 4 or 5 women. Or women. I guess we're ready. There's one right there on a brand new Aprilia from Plano Kawasaki. Awesome, man. This Texas bike life or bike scene or sport bike scene is killer. It's like second to none. I don't know any, well, I say that. Maybe Houston, maybe Atlanta, California, I'm sure, but this Dallas area is hot. Everybody loves to ride, man. And a lot of people have gotten into it since COVID. But anyways, I could have stayed at the back. You could see what it takes to stay alive. You got to be smart, man. You can't be riding above your head. Everybody wants to race everybody. I get it when you're young, but just can't do it. There's a time and a place for it, but today ain't really the day for lucky if we don't end up with helicopters following us. pretty people. Uh-oh. Had one go down. What happened? Golly. They're trying to get on 3 bikes down. Golly, man. Tore their bikes up. It's terrible. Hopefully it's a car accident. No, it's a motorcycle. I can see them parked. Golly, man. Damn. Sad. I don't know what it is. Well, I do know what it is. These bikes are competitive, but still. The hell. See who it is? Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not good. It is not good. Golly. But they got here quick. This is what can happen, guys. You gotta be on your toes. I don't know who that is. It's a Rough Rider. That's a girl. Golly, I think I know who that is. Bless her heart. She might have fell off the back. I don't know. See if I can find Chuck and Chief on his HP4. He's got a 22 or a 21, 22 double R. Let's see if we can find him. So all in all, it was a good day. Had one girl, come to find out that was a true story, that truck stopped in front of her. I don't think she's seriously hurt. They said she's already up standing, but I think she is going to the hospital. So and then the 2 or 3 guys that went down at the entrance ramp that probably tried to butt you. Anyways, these group rides are a lot of fun. I'll put my social links in my post or in my description. Hit that subscribe, smash that like button, helps my videos get out. I'm real close to monetizing. Anyway, so I appreciate y'all riding with me. And like I say, download the Tonit motorcycle app. There's a bunch of really good stuff coming this year. It is a free download. So I'll put that in the description, and also in the description I'm a Cardo brand champ for Cardo. They talk Cardo communicators, so I can give you a discount code. It helps. It costs you nothing, but it'll save you. I think it's 10 or 15%. But anyways, appreciate you riding with me, and we'll see you on the next one.